Hey everyone, I'm David Parker, your financial nerd. Is another stock market crash coming? Are we buying at the top? Stay put until the end because I answer all these questions and more. But, before I continue, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Because it takes a lot of time to produce this content, and you'll also receive 7 years of stock market luck. Alright, let's get started. Since 1950, the S&P 500 has crashed, or lost at least 10% of its value, on 38 occasions. Once every 1.84 years. So, you can bet that another market crash is coming. Robert Shiller, a Nobel Prize-winning economist and Yale professor, urged a cautious approach to investing in the stock market right now. The current crisis and the November election have driven fears of a major market crash to the highest levels in many years, Shiller said. At the same time, stocks are trading at very high levels. That volatile combination doesn't mean that a crash will occur, but it suggests that the risk of one is relatively high. This is a time to be careful. I think a cautious approach is warranted. The pandemic has severed the finances of businesses and the lives of many people. But yet, the stock market continues to reach new all-time highs. I think Wall Street is expecting a miracle cure. If one doesn't come to fruition, we'll see a stock market crash. If a vaccine does appear, the all-time highs could be the low of the bull run that will emerge. It's impossible to know exactly when the market will crash, or how long the crash will last. But you can take steps to prepare yourself for when it does happen, so you can come out on top. The stock market is a volatile animal. If a stock market crash were to happen, you would suffer some gut-punching blows to your portfolio. But, you only lose money if you sell at a loss. As long as you have the mindset to keep your money invested for 5 years or more, you should have no reason to worry, as you are giving yourself enough time for your investments to recover. When stocks go on sale, it's time to go shopping. You should have cash on hand to buy the dip. While it might be scary to throw money into a declining market, if you believe the company will be successful in the long run, then a crash is a perfect opportunity to start or increase your position. If a market crash does happen, don't worry, a recovery is inevitable, it just may not happen as quickly as you want. All of the stock market crashes that have happened since 1950 have been followed by a rebound. Most of those crashes were relatively short, about 6 months on average. Now that another market crash is coming, start preparing, so you don't get caught off guard. I'm David Parker, until next time, stay sane.